So welcome everybody. I am June Dam. I'm the organizer of the San Francisco EOS Developers meetup. It's our very first event here, and we hope to do this. Thank you. And we hope to do many more. It's an exciting time for EOS right now. I also want to thank the EOS Silicon Valley community, Bo back there, Justin, helped promote this meetup. EOS SF and SF Blockchain Collective G, he's not here, I didn't see him, but he also helped promote this. But yeah, so if you are in the area, if you're in Silicon Valley, please sign up for that meetup. EOS San Francisco is a broader meetup that not only talks about technology, but just everything that's going on in EOS. I'm running more of the developer-centric meetup, and so sign up to that if you haven't already. So I wanted to give a couple minutes to our one of our sponsors who kind of was generous enough to give us this space, Starfish Mission. So John is going to talk for a couple minutes and explain what Starfish Mission is all about.
Thank you everybody for coming out today, and thank you Lumeos for being one of the core cornerstone organizations here at Starfish Mission, at San Francisco's only blockchain inspired co-working space. But 90% of the people in this door every single day are blockchain focused. We're chain agnostic, so we're not just EOS. We have quite a few Ethereum developers coming through the doors. This is our 54th event since we opened on April 9th. And we're quickly giving away the space for free to great, brilliant organizations looking to educate the community so we can speed up adoption. We're also looking for sponsors who really want to get access, maybe from these higher windows, to 1,000 unique visitors a month, or 12,000 to 15,000 blockchain enthusiasts per year that walk in these doors and do co-created education with us in order to develop your community in our community hub. So, thank you very much, and we look forward to an informative event this evening.
And then we had our sponsor for food and drinks, EOS Blocksmith. Amy, maybe just have a few words. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoy the pizza and drinks.
Thank you, June. So these are my team members. I'm Amy from EOS Blocksmith, and I'll have you guys just introduce yourselves.
I'm Jerry from EOS Blocksmith.
And I'm Ryan from EOS Blocksmith.
So we won't take a lot of your time, but we just wanted to introduce ourselves. We are an independent block producer for EOS. We are fully self-funded, so we take no investment from any venture capitalists. So we aren't influenced in that way. We have also pledged not to give or take any money from anyone in the EOS system. So we're really trying to stay honest and have some integrity in the system. And those are our core values, really just honesty, integrity, and being fully financially transparent, sort of going after what Dan Larimer called radical transparency. So if you believe in that and want to kind of fight against the whales and believe in independent block producers, please find out more about us at eosblocksmith.io, and we definitely appreciate your votes. Do you guys want to add anything? No? Okay.
Thank you. And I'll give a minute also to Rick from Lumeos. He's got a contest he's running, so I'll give you the mic for a minute.
Awesome, thank you, June, and thank you all for coming out tonight. I just want to say, so before we get started, we are running a little contest. Our Twitter handle is Lumeos_IO, and the 3 lucky people who tweet the most tonight will get t-shirts, and the one that tweets the most or has the most interesting question will be given the opportunity to be one of our ambassadors. And I can get into what that entails further on, but yeah. So thank you all for coming, and thank you, June, for setting this up. Thanks a lot, guys.
So hopefully you guys participate. And oh, I forgot to talk about EOS just a little bit before handing it off to Ali here. You know, I've been in the crypto space for quite a long time, and you know, I think there's been a lot of great technologies, but you know, we haven't been able to go mainstream yet and get you know, grandmas and regular people to use it. And I think EOS is the one technology I think that can get us there, get blockchain mainstream. There's a lot of growing pains when you have a new blockchain system, so there's been some early struggles you've probably been reading about, but I think in the long run, if you stick with it, I'm very confident about the technology and the people building on it. So that's why I'm organizing this EOS San Francisco Developers Meetup. But so just a little bit of background. Ali Ayash has been at Google, Amazon, a lot of big heavyweights in the startup world, in the tech world, and he's more recently been with B-Token, so understands a lot about Ethereum, and now he's working on EOS with Lumeos, and that is a infrastructure project for data sharing, and he'll explain a little bit more about that. And we're very fortunate to have him because he's got kind of the experience, I think, that you know, he'll be able to contrast between all the various technologies with Ethereum and EOS and give a lot of insights that I think